Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your birthday on your Twitter profile. So here when I open up my Twitter app, and then you need to click on the profile picture on the top left. Again click on your profile and this will take you to your profile. So if you want to hide your birthday, you need to click on edit profile and then click on the birth date section. Here you will see a month and day and year section. So if you want to hide your birthday, you need to click on this and then click on only you. And if you want to hide your year also, then again you need to click on year and then click on only you. So after you are done, you need to click on continue and then click on save and then click confirm, and there you go. You have hidden your birthday from everyone on Twitter. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.